Hello everyone, and welcome to Glonax Commercial Agency. My name is Mary Mignora, Director at Glonax Commercial Agency, and we're so excited to finally open an office here in Nakuru, the city of Kenya. It's a new city, by the way, so welcome. We're really excited to have this company right now. So we offer services as estate and property management. We're also doing building and construction. We are doing buying and selling of land, and we're going to talk about this and much more. So come and join us. So we're joined by Marianne, who is our colleague. Please introduce yourself.
Hello everyone, my name is Marianne Bill. I'm a media practitioner here at Glonax Commercial Agencies. And I know you might be asking yourself, why a media practitioner in a real estate company? Mm-hmm. So maybe Mary will take it up to maybe say why she started Glonax, just to help you understand.
Okay, so Glonax comes from the words glowing from Nakuru. Yeah, because we wanted to be the shining star. We glow from Nakuru to the rest of Kenya and then to the rest of the world. So Nakuru, people know it as Nax. I know you've heard of Nax Vegas, like there's like the Las Vegas in the States. So even in Kenya, you have our own version of Nax Vegas. So Nakuru, and then glowing. So Glonax. That's where the name came from. Yes. So me and other directors came together who are like, I have somebody. We've got someone who is coming from the banking sector. We have lawyers as well. We have surveyors. We have people who are experts in conveyancing. So we decided to form a company. So it's a company made of people from different expertise. But personally, I come from a background of customer service, which I've done for the past, I don't know, more than 10 years. I'd say 13 years, and I've been so lucky to do it globally. So, and dealing with and giving premium service to people who have, who know what to expect and who are looking for value for their money. So for me, I'm the managing director of Glonax. The others are still directors, but I do the day-to-day running of the company. So how I came to meet Marianne, so maybe she can give the story. She's in a better position to do that.
So I'll just give you a brief backstory. So my hometown is in Kericho, and when I was in campus, or during that period when I was in campus, we lived in Nairobi, or rather I lived in Nairobi for a long time. Mm-hmm. So each time I'd travel home and we get to Nakuru, I always felt at home here. And when we get to Ngata, which is just a place not too far from Nakuru.
I think it's about 10 minutes.
Yes.
From Nakuru City, yes.
And the land there is green, it is vast, it is flat.
Yes.
It is a place where you want to just buy and build. Mm-hmm. So I kept on admiring it for many years. Anyway, so I completed my campus where I studied electronic media. Why I took electronic media is because God has given me a gift of being creative and being visual, very visual. My imagination is a bit very high. So
I've experienced that, guys. I have experienced that, and it's so exciting. Yes, I have. Yes.
So I decided to channel that into something that can build me and my career. Exactly. So I went on to do media at media houses, and I kept on doing media. But then I thought, why let me not just be like the rest? Let me not just go to a media house, produce content, air it, and that's it. What decisions can I make that will help me provide security for me? So after several years, I moved to Nakuru, and it is here that I started doing web design very actively. So my target audience were commercial agencies, just for the love of homes and property. Mm-hmm. And I approached, there's this magazine here, it is called Business Advertising Magazine.
Yes.
It is printed in Nakuru, I believe.
Yes.
But
it's distributed to like the rest parts of Nakuru and beyond, even Kenya. Yes.
So most companies are represented here, and each time I'd see a page and it doesn't have the www. something, I know this is who I need to call.
Exactly. Mm-hmm.
So it was a way of me prospecting. So I met Mary, and we had a conversation. She told me, like she's explained why she decided to invest in real estate. And I told her I could come in with the media expertise. We could design a website and represent you in the media space and run social media, because social media is also very important for content for consumers to understand.
Yes.
So then I said, this decision of blending media and property, not only am I practicing my passion,
Exactly.
but also I'm in a space whereby I want to provide security for myself and for the generations behind me. And property for me is total security. Yes.
Yeah, exactly. For property in Kenya, I don't know if you guys know, but in Kenya, the property is always going up.
Yes.
Unlike in other countries, like in Dubai in 2008, there was recession and the property market went down, just like the shares go up and down. But in Kenya, it's always going up. Always going up. So there's nothing better you can invest. There's nothing else that you can invest in compared to land. Nothing compares to land, to be honest, in Kenya. So it's always going up. It goes up like way higher than having your money in the bank, when than doing other things. But appreciates all the time. Appreciates all the time. So that's the reason why. Even for me, I was actually born in Nakuru, and I went to school here, primary and high school, and I've always invested in Nakuru and a bit of Naivasha, which is still a town.
Yes.
It's in Nakuru County. Yes, it's still in Nakuru County. Yeah. So when I started the company, I was like, oh, so where is the best place to start? Is where, of course, where is home first, and where I've also invested, and where my interest is. So that's the reason why we decided to invest in Nakuru. And Nakuru has recently become a city. Yes, we're so excited about that. So it's the 4th city in Kenya, and it's the fastest growing city as well. Yeah, so we are doing we're in a very, very good position at the moment.
We've come in at the right time.
Exactly. There's no better timing than now.
Yeah, everyone is looking for land. Most people are actually looking to invest in Nakuru because this is the future.
Exactly. And we're so lucky to be in the future. We're so lucky to be here. Yes. So, and another thing that I wanted to talk about is that everyone who has dealt with agents means real estate companies in Kenya. They have one way or another, they have been conned, or they've been told a story that, oh, you bought land, it's non-existent, it's not the right place. But for us, we're coming into this space to change that notion about agents. We're coming with the customer in mind. Yes, we ask you what do you want, and we take you through the whole process. You know, we've even done like educational podcasts telling people the process of buying land, simply because not everybody knows.
And everyone in that podcast, most of the people were voicing their fears.
Exactly.
They were like, right now I'm in the Gulf and I want to send money. How should I make my money safe?
Exactly.
You know? We have those conversations with them. Make them feel the human touch that she's mentioning.
Exactly. And we have to make sure that everything that is done with transparency. Yes. For example, like she wanted to invest in she want to invest in land, and then she came to me, and then maybe she can give you the story.
I actually have to share this story. So, land in Nakuru there are some parts which land is very affordable. So many told me, there's land that it's actually going for 130,000 shillings. Yes. I was like, wow, okay. I was like, now from today, you just be giving me half of my pay, and then the rest of the money, just keep it, and then you buy land.
How crazy is that?
I know.
She said that to me, and you know, like I was like, let her say it. Like I want her to say it.
So she told me, hey, now you, if in another place, people will take advantage of your naivety.
Exactly. Yes.
So she told me you need to have backup receipts. You need to receive your full pay, deposit in the the account that you develop into,
which is a Glonax client account. But then we have a Glonax client account for projects. We do have that. Yes.
Yeah. So she told me, and make sure you have your own receipts. You're filing them, file them with us, file them with you. This is because if anything should happen, at least you have paperwork, something to show.
Exactly.
Yeah. And then I was like, oh wow. Okay, I know. This is something I should have known about, but just the excitement of it is
exactly. And that is, and she's not different from any other client out there. She's not different from any other client. That's why people are taking advantage of, because they do not do their research and they don't know. But for us, we don't take advantage of any client who is naive. We help them and we show them the right way to do things, and we explain things transparently, and we tell them like, this is what is happening, this is the next step, and again, we do everything for them if they want us to, if they give us a chance to, and which we'll be happy to. From like looking for the land, doing the search, if they let us do that, we can do that for them. From getting the maps, we have a team of surveyors as well. We have conveyancing services as well. So it's like a one-stop shop for everything.
Even
Yes.
to the construction.
Exactly, yes. Building
to
and
the
construction, yes.
landscaping,
Yes, yes.
interior design of the house.
Everything.
Even
everything.
cleaning services when your house is complete, you know? Like
Exactly,
it's
yeah.
a one-stop
Yeah,
shop. We want
exactly.
you to have your home
Mhm.
complete with Glownax. So
Exactly.
that you don't do a bit with Glownax, you go here, go there,
No.
until you become confused. No.
Exactly, yeah.
We want to take care of our clients.
Yes, we're doing that as well. And in the spirit of taking care of our clients, we're also giving back to the clients. So
Yes.
we're doing property management as well, which is you bring us the property, we manage it for you, we collect rent for you, and we
Yes.
do renovations and repairs for you if you allow us to. But at the same time, the landlord can do that for themselves.
Absolutely.
And if you bring the client, you get a commission, and it's going to be a monthly commission.
Yes.
So
So it's
details are on our website. Yeah,
Yes.
the details are on our website.
Yeah,
yes,
you can
yes.
visit our website just on the screen. I'm sure you can see on your screen our social media handles, our website.
Exactly.
Just visit there and see what we have listed there.
Mhm.
How can you bring us clients? And this is an opportunity for you, like Mary has said, we do not forget about you.
Exactly. Even
You know?
when you sell property like land,
Yes.
there's a certain commission, and we're gonna be giving it to our clients as well.
Exactly.
Yes, they bring
Exactly.
clients, so we're giving
Yeah.
back. Yeah, it's not just
Giving
about
back.
being like
Yeah.
just thinking about yourself. You're
Yes.
thinking about everybody else.
And everyone
wholesomely.
else. Yeah.
Yes, yes.
So continue to follow our social media handles. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow us on Facebook. Give us a call. Visit us. We're located at Gate House in Nakuru along Burudisho Road. Just as you come into Nakuru, there's the very first roundabout you meet. We're just at the building where you see when you're in your car. It's a white building. We are there, 5th floor, suite 506. Just come there. Mary and I are here. She especially give you advice on land, anything that you need to know. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you very much for taking your time to listen to us. And
Yes.
until next time, from Glownax, bye bye.